starts to fade in the silence. She will know what she sees and what she fears, what she seeks and what appears. Oh, shadows only follow when it's raining. Dreamers only find the road by straying. Say midnight, it will come and it will go. When the dawn washes the spell, she'll know. She'll know. Now here she turns again. She sees the ghost reflections. They whisper stories to herself. It's only her who listen, lost between dimensions. Have you any dreams you'd like to tell? Dreams of a wonder like a candle starts to fade